Okay, so I'm gonna be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. I have a phone here that I'm gonna be using as a timer, so it's set to 5 minutes. I don't know if you can see that, yeah. And I'm nervous, I don't wanna start. I'm like, what if I suck? Okay, so I'm starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Blah, blah, blah.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
Oh my gosh, I'm moving so fast. I think I just threw that at you guys. This is, I'm like stressed. Like, I am so stressed out right now. I just got that all in my mouth, okay. Arm is cramping up. Oh God, I'm like putting so much pressure into everything.
It's not for me to say you love.
Look at my eyebrows.
It's not for me to say you love.
I don't even know what color this is. Oh, I went for red. Cool.
To say you love. It's not for me to say you.
Oh God, there's glue everywhere. Oh no. Oh God. Oh, they're not even on. Girl, I did it. I did it. Where's my highlight? fix these eyebrows. Where'd it go?
It's not for me to say you love.
From far away, it doesn't look that bad. Just dry lip. And my lips are a little crooked. They're a little funky. Alright, well, my whole body is sweating. Underneath my knees are sweating. You know what I'm talking about? Like that, like, what is your knee pussy? What is it? Okay, I wonder if you can see my sweat on my pits right now. No, not really. But it's there. I don't think it's a good idea for people with anxiety to do this. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share. It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. This was just a quick little fun video that I've been wanting to do, so I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.